In this video we're going to be looking at inequality symbols, so where a column is greater than or less than a certain value. So we have our four inequality symbols here. We have our greater than symbol, and then we have greater than or equal to. So it's a greater than sign followed by an equal sign. Then we have our less than sign. And then we have our less than or equal to sign, which is a less than sign followed by the equal sign. So now let's use these inequality symbols in a where clause. So I've selected star from products table again, and I've got my 7 results. And here I've got a statement with a where clause, which is selecting star from products where price is equal to 3. So this is just going to return every row where the price column is equal to 3. But let's change this equal sign to greater than or equal to and run that statement. And you can see it's returned just 6 rows now. So we have every single row returned where the price is equal to 3 or greater than 3. So we've got 3, 3.5, 3.25. So this is returning rows where a column is equal to or greater than a certain value. So now let's simply change this to greater than and see the difference. And you can see now it's returned just 4 rows. It's got rid of the rows where the price was equal to 3, and it's just returned the rows which are greater than 3.00. So we've got 3.5, 3.25. So that's the greater than and the greater than or equal to symbols looked at. Now let's take a look at the less than and less than or equal to. So let's change this to where price is less than 3. And you can see it just returns the row for our espresso where the price was equal to 2.50. And then we can simply get where the price is less than or equal to 3 by adding an equal sign after the less than sign. And you can see it returns 3 rows. We have our espresso, our macchiato and our filter coffee, where the price column is equal to 3 or less. So that's pretty much it for using inequality symbols in a where clause. I'll just add that it only really makes sense to use inequality symbols when you're dealing with numeric columns, like a price column or even an ID column.